drops of milk. Oh. I let my thing hit for too long. Don't do that. So I'm gonna let this heat for a while. That way I get a good heat going. I'm really bad at this. Okay, so that's good enough heat. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of drinking chocolate. 2. Beautiful. I'm gonna stir that in. Ooh, girl, smells so good. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Oh yeah, get in there. Oh, still some left here. Okay, wait, my life's a mess. Stir that in as well. This smells like heaven already. Jesus, beautiful. Then for the fun part, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Oh my god, I love chocolate chips so much. Then I'm just gonna stir until all the chocolate chips are just gone and dissolved. Now this is hot chocolate. Ugh, I'm just gonna be so cozy this evening. So whisk would be better to do this with, but I don't own a whisk. So I'm just improvising and using a wooden spoon. But if you have a whisk, definitely use that. It's much better. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I don't think you should use essence, use extract, but I only have essence, so that is what we'll work with. Same thing, right? Just stir that in and you're basically done. Now to put it in your cup and drink it. So now I'm gonna pour my hot chocolate into my cup. It's quite a big cup if you ask me. Now I'm gonna put whipped cream on top of my hot chocolate. Definitely should be more organized. Lots of it because hey, why not? Oh, that's looking nice. A bit more because why not? Okay, that's enough whipped cream for anyone in this lifetime. Then I'm gonna take some of my crushed Oreos and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top of my hot chocolate. Oh, this looks so good. Am I right or am I right? Then I'm gonna take some of my chocolate chips and add that on there as well. Ooh, that is the drink of a lifetime. Oh my goodness, more chocolate chips, okay. I hear you. And that is basically it. This right here is nothing short of a masterpiece. It's so good, honestly. Ooh, it is very sugary though. I don't think I should be drinking this before bed, but it's amazing. And the whipped cream kind of disappeared into my drink and it's When I tell you this is good, I'm not kidding. It is amazing. Ooh, it is so good. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that I'll be seeing you in my next one. Until then, bye. Woo!